Do you want to know how to grow your wealth at a young age? Well, let's get this straight. Wealth management isn't some elite club for the ultra-rich. It's for each and every one of us, with dreams of a secure financial future. Now, let me tell you why it's so important. You see, wealth management is about more than just making money. It's about growing it, protecting it, and using it to reach your personal goals. It's about planning for your short-term needs and your long-term dreams. It's about making sure that you, and not just your money, are well taken care of. What's more, starting early has its own set of benefits. It gives your wealth more time to grow. It allows you to take calculated risks. It helps you learn from your mistakes and make better financial decisions. Remember, the sooner you start, the better your future will be. First, understand how your money works. Let's peel back the layers of income and expenses. You see, income is the money you earn from your job, your side hustle, or even your investments. Expenses, on the other hand, are the costs you incur, like rent, groceries, or your Netflix subscription. Now, why bother tracking these? Well, by keeping tabs on your income and expenses, you can identify your spending habits and patterns. You may discover you're spending a small fortune on takeout, or that you're not saving as much as you thought. To make this easier, try categorizing your expenses into 3 main buckets: needs, wants, and savings or investments. Your needs are your non-negotiables, like rent and food. Wants are optional purchases like concert tickets or new shoes. Savings or investments, well, that's your future wealth growing right there. With a clear understanding of where your money comes from and where it goes, you can begin to control your financial destiny. Next, let's talk about saving and investing. These two are the twin pillars of wealth creation, but they aren't the same thing. Saving is setting aside a portion of your income regularly. It's like building a safety net for unexpected expenses or emergencies. It's safe, but the growth is often slow. Now, investing, on the other hand, is about making your money work for you. It involves putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate that have the potential to increase in value over time. The returns can be substantial, but so can the risks. The trick is to strike a balance. Set aside a portion of your income for saving and another portion for investing regularly. Remember, it's not about hitting home runs. It's about consistently on base. The key to wealth creation is consistency in saving and investing. Diversification and risk management are your best friends in wealth management. Imagine your wealth as a pie. Wouldn't you want to slice it in several different ways? That's diversification in a nutshell, spreading your investments across various assets to reduce the risk of losing money. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Now think about a seesaw. On one side, you have potential returns, and on the other, the associated risks. Diversification helps to balance this seesaw. By investing in different types of assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies, you're essentially cushioning your portfolio against market volatility. If one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, helping to offset losses. But remember, diversification isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. It should be tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance, and it doesn't eliminate risk entirely, but rather helps manage it. Diversification is not just about having different investments, but about balancing them to achieve your financial goals. Lastly, remember to review and adjust. This is a cardinal rule of wealth management. Life is dynamic, and so are your financial needs and goals. As they evolve, your financial strategies should too. You might be wondering, why is this important? Well, think of your financial plan as a garden. It needs regular care and attention to thrive. You can't just plant a seed and forget about it, expecting it to grow into a lush tree on its own. The same goes for your finances. You need to monitor your investments, assess their performance, and make necessary adjustments. The market conditions are constantly changing, and you need to adapt your strategies accordingly. For instance, if an investment isn't performing as expected, don't hesitate to replace it with a better option. Remember, it's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Wealth management is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed, stay informed, and you can grow your wealth successfully.